All snug and tight, I will sleep safe through the night. But first a picnic, oh what a fun! With sandwiches, fruit juice in the sun. Then when the sun begins to set, we will head back to my tent to rest. My tent is my little nest, where I rest and feel my best. So good night, moonshine bright and clear. I will sleep well without a fear.